better or different at the start of the 2021.
Hopefully,
Sure,
sir.
for sure. Yes.
Hopefully,
certainly.
we'll have a vaccine and all these things will be like a nightmare, and we will look back.
Certainly. Certainly, yes.
Okay, sir, I'll invite some students. I think some students are caught up somewhere, and I'll be back in some minutes.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Madonna, madam.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start and then let the students join in, or shall we wait for them? What do you suggest?
You can start, sir, then.
Okay. So I hand over the session to Archana, madam. Archana, madam, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, all. I, Arshana Magre, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, welcome you, Professor Utku Kose, on behalf of ITM SLS BU faculty. Dr. Utku Kose received a BS degree in 2008 from Computer Education of Gazi University, Turkey, as a faculty valedictorian. He received MS degree in 2010 from Utku Kose University, Turkey, in the field of computer, and PhD degree in 2017 from Selçuk University, Turkey, in the field of computer engineering. Between 2009 and 2011, he has worked as a research assistant in Utku Kose University. Following, he has also worked as a lecturer and a vocational school vice Kose University between 2011 and 2012 as a lecturer and as research center director in Ustad University between 2012 and 2017, and as an assistant professor in Suleiman Demirel University between 2017 and 2019. Currently, he is an associate professor in Suleiman Demirel University, Turkey. He has more than 100 publications, including articles, authored and edited books, proceedings, and reports. He is also in editorial board of many series by CRC Press. His research interest includes artificial intelligence, machine ethics, artificial intelligence, safety, optimization, distance education, e-learning, computer science. With this brief introduction, I request Dr. Utku Kose to start the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, dear professor. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you will enjoy my session today. I would like to thank to Dr. Magare for her kind introduction for me. And also I would like to thank to Dr. Sarkar for his kind invitation, and also the kind invitation for every colleague having great efforts to realize that Dreams 2020 event. And if you are all ready, let's start. I hope my voice and the screen and view is okay. I think my screen sharing is disabled by the host. Can you check, dear Professor Sakar? I think it will be enabled by you.
Just a minute, sir. I'll check.
Okay. My presentation is based on deep learning and how we apply it for cancer diagnosis. So I hope everybody will enjoy, because it's a very important and remarkable topic, and it has a great potential for the future of the artificial intelligence and also deep learning. So I hope you will all enjoy.
Sir, please check now.
Okay. Yes, I can. I'm able to share my screen. Yes. I think you are all seeing now.
Yes,
Let me to start the presentation. As I've said before, my presentation is titled as Deep Learning for Cancer Diagnosis. Cancer is very important disease for the humankind, and also it's a very remarkable topic for especially artificial intelligence. And of course, the field of medical has a great efforts so far in order to eliminate that disease. And there are very different technological developments in this manner, and deep learning and the field of AI is among them. Dear Dr. Magar has just introduced me. I'm affiliated with Süleyman Demirel University, but in addition, I would like to kindly say that I'm also affiliated as the adjunct professor to ITM SLS Baroda University, and I'd like to thank dear colleagues for including me as adjunct professor in the team. And I'd like to say that I'm also affiliated to your university, to the ITM SLS Baroda University. So it's a great thing for me. So our collaboration, of course, in this manner will be continue in the following period. I hope there will be more webinars and more different topics to discuss. And I hope if that the COVID-19 state will be eliminated, we will see and meet each other face to face in India. And I'd like also invite everybody to Turkey and Sparta to visit us, visit our departments, so we can discuss more about the field of AI and everything regarding my research interests, and also, of course, your research interests. And I wish all the best for Turkey and, of course, India, for especially eliminating COVID-19, and all the best for the next time period. Yes, let's start. My presentation content is based on the introduction to a brief introduction to the field of artificial intelligence, and after that, of course, my presentation is based on deep learning. So I will discuss some about what is the difference between the machine learning and the deep learning. Deep learning especially is one of the subfields of the machine learning, but we should talk about some differences of the deep learning in order to understand what is the exact research area and research scope of that deep learning. That's very trendy topic, as you know, especially after the start of the 21st century. It has gained more and more popularity, so you should have been informed, and you should be focusing in the next time period in order to understand the way of the AI for the future. And after talking about deep learning, I will talk about how we apply deep learning for cancer diagnosis. And after that, I will talk about future scenarios, open problems. I will give some suggestions to especially our student friends. And at the end of my presentation, I will take any of your questions. Yes, when we say AI,